Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing how can you access your microphones through various apps. I mean, this video is for those who do not know how to access microphone through various apps. Like if somebody gets stuck in Adobe Premiere Pro to access their microphone, then how can you solve that? Okay, so let me show you how can you do that. This is very simple trick. Just go to settings and go to devices, and from there you go to sound settings, and from here you click on privacy settings, and from here you can see I'm running a voice recorder, right? This one you can see that voice recorder. Now if I switch it off, let's see, microphone is not working. Oh my god. Now if I switch it on, sorry, now I can access my microphone. So in this way you can turn on your microphone and you can use through various apps. Like I am using it in Camtasia, Adobe Premiere Pro, whatever you want to do. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon for all my videos. Thank you for watching.